Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my everyday laundry routine. I have finally gotten myself into a laundry routine and I'm trying really hard to stick with it. If you guys know me at all, if you've been a member of this channel for any length of time, you pretty much know that laundry is the one thing where I can just tend to let it really back up, and then all of a sudden I have like 5 or 6 loads of laundry to do, and I'm sitting there doing it all day long and then folding a huge massive pile, usually for you guys, in a laundry talks video. So I've been trying my hardest to kind of get myself into a routine that's going to help me just like get a little bit done every day. That way I don't have this huge pile up and everybody's running out of underwear and being like, where are my clothes? So I'm going to be showing you guys today how I manage to stay on top of the laundry, and that is what we're going to be talking about in today's video. Also, I will say really quickly that I am going to link some other videos in the iCards here somewhere. Some more laundry motivation, so there's going to be some more laundry talks videos. I think I had a 2-day laundry video where I did like massive amounts of laundry for like 2 days. I have an all-day laundry video, so if you are in need of any laundry motivation, which I'm assuming you are since you stopped on this video, I'm your girl today. There's tons of motivation on my channel. So without further ado, let's get on into it. Okay, so first of all, my number one thing is to make sure that you are doing at least 1 load of laundry every single day. Now, obviously that is going to vary from family to family. Some people need to do more than that. Some people need to do less than that. We are a family of 4. It's myself, my partner, and we have 2 sons. One is 4 years old and one just turned 7 months old. So the 7-month-old obviously produces a lot more laundry than the rest of us because he's a baby. So a lot of time there's spit up or blowouts or whatever that we have to worry about. So doing it every day might work for me, might not need to be as often, or maybe needs to be 2 or 3 loads a day for you if you have a bigger family. I'm such a hand talker, I'm just noticing. Anyways, but what I find that's been working the best for me is to do it overnight. So I'm lucky right now, my boyfriend is on paternity leave because I'm a stay-at-home mom, so I didn't need to take any maternity leave. We live in Canada, so we are very lucky that the mom or the dad can take the maternity leave or paternity leave. We get up to 18 months if we want to take it. So that's really awesome, and he has decided to take a full 12 months, which has been such an amazing help with our baby. But we kind of have different hobbies and we like to spend our evenings doing different things. So after the kids go to bed, lots of times he will go downstairs and he's a huge computer gamer, whereas I typically am working on YouTube. So I'm like usually editing a video, or if I don't have any videos to edit, then I'm finally relaxing and reading a book or just like cleaning up my house from the mess of the day, which also relaxes me, and which is why I have a cleaning channel. So yeah, so he tends to just kind of like go downstairs for the evening, and our washing machine is downstairs. And one other thing, if you know me at all, is that you know that I hate doing laundry because it's downstairs, it's inconvenient, I don't like it. So what I end up doing is, after the kids have gone to bed, I go around from room to room and I collect all the laundry from that day, because when you have little ones, sometimes you just end up with clothes all over the place. So I will go through the rooms and collect the laundry that day that has accumulated, get it all into a basket, and I just push it downstairs. I just push it towards the stairs, and he comes and grabs it, and he is the one that is actually loading the washing machine and swapping it over into the dryer before he goes to bed. So that's kind of how we've been doing it, is I get it all together, I fold it, I put it away. He is the one that's actually been doing it. So that's really been helpful for me, because that's part of the reason why I let laundry back up, is because I hate going down there and like I don't know why. It's not like my house is that big, but I just find it to be so inconvenient and so annoying. So I will let it pile up. But with him doing that, and then in the morning time, or not in the morning, but the next evening when he goes downstairs, he'll bring me up the load from the night before so that I can fold and put away, and he'll take the new load that I have ready for him, down. So that's what's been working, and I've just been doing the laundry in the evening every single day. So basically, once I get the laundry, once he brings it up from the basement, then that's when I'm doing my evening cleaning routine anyways, which I will have linked again in the cards above somewhere, my evening cleaning routine. And basically, I've just added this onto it. So basically, I just made it a part of my routine where every night I am folding a load of laundry, and then I just stack everything that I have to put away in the morning. Like stuff from my bedroom, I'll put away. Stuff for like the linen closet, I'll put away. But anything in my kids' bedrooms, obviously I don't want to be going in my kids' bedrooms and putting laundry away after they're asleep. So I'll just leave them stacked in neat little piles. And then in the morning, once the kids get up, then I can go and put away their clothes. So that has been my daily laundry routine. Definitely, it could very easily work for you as well. I definitely find like it's so much easier just to do laundry overnight. Even if you toss it in the dryer and you go to bed, it's a lot easier. You don't have to wait for it as long, and then you're kind of like rotating doing it every day. So that's what I have been finding has been working for me. We're gonna see once my boyfriend goes back to work, it might be different, because then I'll have to be doing it all myself, and I'm hoping that I get into the routine enough where I'm not going to want to like slide back into previous behavior. So that's what's been working for our family. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys do for your family. What kind of laundry routine do you have? Maybe I can get some tips and tricks from you guys on how to tweak mine. Let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see